Understanding Boiler Inspection, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific phrase, boiler inspection. This term is used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can be very helpful, especially if you're interested in fields like engineering, property management, or safety regulations. Let's dive in. Boiler inspection refers to the process of examining a boiler to ensure it is safe and in good working condition. Boilers are used in buildings for heating water and creating steam, so it's crucial that they function properly to prevent accidents. During an inspection, a qualified technician checks for leaks, corrosion, and other potential issues. They also ensure the boiler complies with safety standards. The importance of a boiler inspection cannot be overstated. It's essential for safety. Regular inspections help prevent accidents like explosions, which can be caused by faulty boilers. Efficiency. A well-maintained boiler operates more efficiently, saving energy and costs. Compliance. Many regions have legal requirements for regular boiler inspections to ensure public safety. Boilers should be inspected at least once a year. However, the frequency can vary based on the type of boiler, its usage, and local regulations. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations and local laws regarding boiler inspections. Boiler inspections are carried out by certified professionals. These inspectors have the training and expertise to identify issues and ensure the boiler meets all safety standards. It's important to hire a qualified inspector for this task. We hope this video has helped you understand what boiler inspection means and why it's important. Remember, whether you're a homeowner, a building manager, or just curious about English technical terms, knowing about such specific phrases can be very useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.